In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Calendly. Let's get started by opening Calendly in your web browser and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your main Calendly dashboard, I want you to look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with your initials or a profile image if you've already uploaded one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click the icon, a small menu will drop down. This menu is where you access key account related settings. From this list, look for the option labeled Profile. It might be near options like Account Settings, Notifications, or Log Out. Click on Profile to move into your personal profile settings. After you select Profile, Calendly will take you to a dedicated profile page. This is where your personal information lives, such as your name, profile link, and sometimes other details like your title or organization. On this page, locate the section specifically for your name. Depending on your current setup, you might see your first and last name displayed in text fields or an edit icon next to them. Click into the name field to start editing. Here, you can adjust your first name, last name, or both, depending on what you need. For example, you might want to correct a spelling mistake, update your last name, or simply change how your name is displayed to invite ease. Take a moment to make sure everything is typed exactly how you want it to appear on your scheduling links and event pages. Once you've entered your updated name, look for a save or update button on the page, usually near the bottom or top right of the profile section. It's important not to skip this part. If you click away without saving, Calendly won't apply your changes. Select the save option and wait a moment for the page to refresh or confirm that your profile has been updated. After saving, double check that your new name appears correctly on your profile page. You can also open one of your event links in a new tab to confirm that the name your guests see now reflects the change you just made. And that's all you need to do to change your name in Calendly.